It's your girl Liani. Yeah. And then in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I really, for real, put this wig on my head. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start by sizing the wig on, making sure everything is lined up and cool. Then I'm going to clean the area with alcohol. You know how this goes already. And then I'm going to be using Ghost Bond Active Bold Hold. I said Ghost Bond, girl. It's Bold Hold Active. Bold Hold is dead A1. This compared to the Ghost Bond, I feel like it stays sticky and never like dries down. But this is it. I love this. So this is the first layer that I'm doing. Now, when you're applying that glue, don't forget to smooth it out, because that's what's going to give you that seamless look, like, and it's going to allow the glue to dry more evenly. So yeah, make sure you smooth it out. Now, you could let this air dry, or you could be like me and try to get this thing going along and use the blow dryer on cool. So yeah, you'll know the glue is ready or dry when it turns clear. And now time for layer 2, and we're just going to repeat everything that we just did. So remember what I said, clear means that it's tacky and ready to go. So now that it's clear and sticky and whatnot, now is the time to paste down your lace, sweetie. So yeah, before I actually paste the wig down, I'm gonna make sure all my little stray hairs are tucked under my wig cap and all the hairs of the wig are out of the way, so that way it doesn't get in the way of the glue. Now I'm gonna use the back ends of that dye brush to help lay my lace, because the oils on my fingertips might interfere with the glue and I want this to last as long as possible, so I'm doing that. Now you see how easy that was to lay, like, and look, it's dried and it's good. Like, if this was Ghost Bond, girl, I still would have been there, like, trying to secure it. So yeah, now that hairline look a little thick, sweetie, so I'm gonna pluck it a little, and not too much though, because I like my lace, you know, the hairs of it to fall out over time so it could last a little longer. So I'm just gonna pluck it, make it look a little better, and that little bit of plucking definitely made it appear more natural. So after I do this, I'm just gonna, you know, make sure it looks good or whatever, and I'm gonna get my little baby hairs together. Let's do that. Yeah. Oh yeah, and don't forget to slide your combs in, because that's what I just did. But before I do my baby hairs, I'm just gonna fix up this part, because I wanted the middle part and clearly it was not laid. So I'm just gonna use some of that Aunt Jackie's setting mousse, I believe, and I'm gonna use that to lay the hair. And I'm gonna use this True Complexion, I think it's Black Radiance HD corrector, and I'm gonna use that on my part to give it that more scalp feel. So yeah, now it's the baby hairs. I'm just brushing them in order, and I'm going to trim wherever I need it, because these hairs is too long for me. So I'm gonna just trim it, spread it out wherever, you know. I don't know how to describe your baby hairs, but you know, just swoop it. And now it's time for the most important step, the most crucial part of laying your wig, is the melt. Now, Beauty Forever have their own silk wraps, and I'm telling you, this came in handy and it's fire. The quality is amazing. Like, this is definitely worth buying, because it makes your install seamless. So I'm gonna just keep this on for like 10 minutes and then so this is after the 10 minutes. Look how that just looks like. Come on, hold on, let me get my little edges together first. But look at that. Like, I can't believe it. Nah, that was horrible. definitely giving scalps over here. So thanks to the Beauty Forever Silk Wrap for that melt. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to continue to like, subscribe, and go check out my other videos. So I'm out of here. Love you guys. Later.